Hello everyone, it's Point here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an advanced ban system for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Using only commands, I highly do not recommend this if you have a PC and have a little knowledge on add-ons, because you can use an anti-cheat that relies on an MC pack and functions to basically do everything I'm going to cover, but 100 times better. So, if you don't have all that stuff and you don't have a PC and you're just on Xbox and you want to use commands, let me show you how. Alright, so to get started with the advanced ban system, you want to have around 6 command blocks just with the effects. There's a lot more we're going to do. So what these effects are, basically there are repeating command blocks that are always active. So it does a /execute command. It executes on every player. It executes if the person has a certain tag. What the exclamation point does is basically what it does is it executes on every person that has a certain tag, but the exclamation point does it to anyone that does not have that tag, and it also does it with the ban tag. So what this does is it tags everyone, or executes on everyone who does not have the staff tag but has the ban tag. And then you want to space it, put the 3 squiggly bars. They're actually called tildes. They're put there. I don't know why they're put there, but that's a part of the command. And you want to do /effect at S, which executes basically on the person. And then you want to do the effect slow falling. 10 does it it only gives them 10 seconds of it, but it really doesn't matter as it repeats. And then 255. This basically means when they're teleported in the air, they cannot fall. The next one you have is the exact same command, but mining fatigue. The third one is blindness. Fourth one is weakness. Fifth one is slowness. And sixth one is strength. What this does is basically makes them unable to do anything. They're just stuck there floating. And then the next command you want to do is a teleport. Alright, so the teleport command, what it will basically do is it will teleport the person with the ban tag. It will teleport them to a certain area over and over and over. Plus, with the effects, they will not be able to do anything. Trust me, guys. I use this on my Anarchy realm. Code and description. So it executes on every person. Yeah, blah, 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 the same code. But then the command is changed from an effect to a teleport. So it just TP at S 0900. This teleports them to the coordinate 900 blocks in the air. So even if they do fall and the command doesn't work, it still takes a bit to fall before it, and then just teleports them back and forth. So it's really useful. Alright, going to the next part. Alright, so the next command, what it will be is, it will be a title command, which basically pops up on the screen, the text that it will say when they are banned. So this is the command right here. I just decorated it with some colors and some symbols. So it's execute on every person that does not have the staff tag but has the ban tag. And then it titles, basically /title at S, which executes on the person. And then does title again. This basically title command, but then title, that puts it on the middle of their screen instead of like above their hotbar or something. And then it says the text, you are banned, appeal at. Obviously, you don't need to go all out like I did, but you can simply just put your band or something. By the way, I will have these symbols in the description if you want to make it like mine. So what I'm actually going to do is, do not do this for your thing, but I'm going to be doing this for mine. I'm going to remove the tag band just so we can see what happens when it pops up on our screen. Oh, hold up, give me a minute. Sorry about that, guys. Hold up. You guys might want to do this for your realm too. What you want to do for your realm is you want to do game rule and then send command feedback false. This stops it from saying that in chat. So this is actually what it says on your name. Hold up, forgot one more, guys. I'm so sorry for this. This is bug, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, this is what it says on your screen. It would say you're banned, and then it would say appeal at, and then obviously your code would actually be at the bottom under the text, so it wouldn't go off the screen. So guys, this is what it says above your screen when you are banned. Doesn't that look cool? Alright guys, so for this next part, you're going to need to do a scoreboard command. So what that command will be is, it will be /scoreboard objectives, and then you want to type add, and then you want to type your ban tag. Obviously it's going to be capital B, lowercase a-n, which will spell ban, and then you're going to space it, and you're going to put dummy. What this does is, this adds a dummy on the scoreboard that you can now add and subtract values on. This is really useful for commands in the future, and future tutorials will have these commands. So basically What the command will then do is it will execute on any person that does not have the staff tag but has the ban tag. It will scoreboard players add at s ban 1. This will give them one value, one ban. And what that does is that's an extra security feature for realms that uses ban advanced system because it's really useful and it helps stop a lot of false bans. So this next command would be, it's actually a continuation of this one. So let's, for instance, if you don't like how it says it above your screen, you can actually change it to say it above your little bar where your items are held. Watch, I'll give you an example. So it says the same thing. What I'll do is I'll put it to needs active. Don't keep the ticks at 0. Or, yeah, so basically this is just for example. So it'd say you are banned, appeal at, yeah, that's basically the ban thing. Also, guys, I forgot to mention this, but you gotta put the ticks to around 10. Don't put it at 0. So put it around 10. All right, guys. So going on to the next step. All right, guys. So what the next command will be, it will basically stop it from spamming chat when the person gets banned. That's actually the next command that sends a message, one message when someone gets banned. It will send one message, and this command block right here will prevent the message from spamming. So what it is, it basically says it executes on everyone, anyone that does not have the tag staff but has the tag ban. It then will execute on a person that has those values. It will only execute on this person who has those values if they have a score of ban, which is actually the scoreboard we created last command. Basically, if they have 4 of those scores, you have to type this right. Make sure you check over this command and make sure it's typed right, or it will not work. It will execute on this score that if they have 4, and then what it will do is it will scoreboard players set at S, person who has all of these values, ban 3. This basically, once it hits 4, it will put it back to 3, and that basically stops it from ever hitting 4. Alright, guys, this next command block is not needed, but if you're gonna not use it, you're gonna need to get rid of this one too. This is basically the, score ban equals 4 set it to 3 thing, because they need each other to work. So basically, you guys might freak out when you see this, but I'll help you guys do this. So this is a pretty long command. So what it says is, it says /execute every person in the game, tags equals anyone that is not of the staff tag but is the ban tag. And then obviously it does a squiggly, squiggly, squiggly. It does, after that, it does /execute at S, which basically does the person who has those 2 tags up there or doesn't. And then it executes only if they have a score of 1. It's going to give them a score of 1 if you did the last command block we did. See, told you they need each other to work. And what it does is, it only does it once. It does it once because the other one before this actually adds it up. And if it adds it up, it stops it from doing it multiple times. So it only show the message one time. Space, squiggly, 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 space, tell raw at A. So everyone, /tell raw at A. And then it does that symbol right there. I'm gonna call that squiggly bracket to the facing the right. So it's gonna be squiggly bracket facing the right, quotation mark, the word raw text together, no space, quotation mark, colon, bracket facing the right, squiggly bracket facing the right, quotation mark, the word text, quotation mark, colon, quotation mark. And then I actually made a cool looking colors and stuff, but you don't need to do that. By the way, if you want to do this, the symbols are in the description. You can use them on Xbox and PC. You have to copy and paste them on PC. So what it does is it does my cool things, and then you're gonna want to put like something like that says like ban alert or something, and you can put a little arrow, but it's not needed. So you want to have like something that says ban alert, so it actually, because you need that. I'm not gonna go into detail with that. I'll go into detail on that for another video. But you put that, and then you don't have to have the symbol, but what you got to do at least is you want to have a space between the arrow, if you even have an arrow, or a space between the word, and then you want to have quotation mark, squiggly bracket facing the left, comma, squiggly bracket facing the right, quotation mark, the word selector. This shows the person's name who has the ban tag, selector, and then you want to have quotation mark, colon, quotation mark, at S, quotation mark, squiggly bracket facing the left, comma, squiggly bracket facing the right, quotation mark, the word text, quotation mark, colon, quotation mark, space, the color symbols if you want, but what you just want to have is you want to have what it says when a person gets banned. It could be got banned by an operator, or got banned, or was banned. You know, basically, that's not the point. The point is you want to put the text of what it says when they get banned. Then you want to have no space after the last word. After the last word, no space. You want to put quotation mark, squiggly bracket facing the left, bracket facing the left, and then another squiggly bracket facing the left. What this will do is this will fully complete the tell raw command, and this will completely fix the command and make it working again. So once that's done, we're going to go on to the next one. Alright, this next 4 command blocks are actually going to be the unbanned system. It's included with the advanced ban system. But first, before we do these, there's actually a bug. I'm sorry guys, there's actually a bug with the one that says they were banned by an operator. So you want to erase that command or just edit it. Be very careful. You want to erase it actually and do /execute at s scores equal, hold up, I'm sorry guys, there's a bug with this. So it wants to be /execute at a scores, basically it executes on a score, ban equals 1. So if they have ban equals 1, which obviously it changes over time, tell raw at a, and then you want to do right facing squiggly bracket, quotation mark, raw text, quotation mark, colon, right facing bracket, squiggly bracket facing right, quotation mark, the word text, quotation mark, colon, quotation mark, and then you don't have to have this, but you basically would just want to put your cool symbols, and then you want to put something like atomic or ban alert or something, and then you want to type all of this. I don't want to say all this. You could just read it honestly and just read what this, like read it and make sure you type it right. And then you want to space it, and then you want to put your cool symbols if you have them, and then you want to put got banned or got banned by an operator or was banned, and then no space after the last word. You want to put colon, and then you want to put these 3 brackets right here. And then once that is done, you would want to move on to the next one. Alright, so what this next one is, it's the unbanned system. So the first one would be, it would basically be the first thing, but it would be /execute at a, tag goes anyone that is not of staff, but they do have the ban tag and they have the unban tag. It will scoreboard players reset their ban. So basically it just resets their ban scoreboard. And this next one will be, it will be the same thing, but instead of resetting the scoreboard, it will remove the ban tag. And then this next one will be the same thing as the previous one, but it will be removing the unban tag, and that basically cleans everything up. And if you go to these other effects and you actually set it from 10 seconds to 32,767 seconds, or anything that's would take a reasonable amount of time to get rid of, you would have to do this command. Same thing, but instead of taking away a tag or resetting a scoreboard, it would effect at s clear. This will basically clear the effect. Alright guys, we gotta do one more command block. I'm sorry, this is literally my first video on this. I will be better in the future. So this next command block, this last command block, actually, first of all, it has to be always active. It will be /scoreboard objectives add ban dummy. This is super important for bans to work. Like, you don't even understand how important this is. So once you add this, you'll be ready to test. So I will test on myself right now. Let me go game mode S right quick. Alright guys, we are giving myself the ban tag, and we will see. So here goes nothing. It's here we go guys. It says you are banned, appeal at, and then you put your Discord link or something, and it says atomic. My name, .error341, got banned by an operator. See how it only says it once? There we go guys. All the effects here. This is it. This is how you do the advanced ban system. So now we're actually going to test the unban system. So I'm going to do unban, the tag unban. Let's see. See if it works. And there we go. There we go guys. We are officially unbanned. So this is how you do the advanced ban system in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Oh shit. So here we go guys. More videos will be out in the future. So this is how you do it. So 12, 5. So that's 17 command blocks it took to make the most advanced ban system you could possibly do. So hope I see you guys in the future. I'll see you guys on my next video, and please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this. Next one, we could possibly do a lag clear based on an entity counter, or there's actually a bunch of stuff we could do. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.